What's up, guys? Welcome to MotivTrader, and today is such a horrible day. I don't know how to say this, but today is just a day like I did one trade is really good. Like in the morning, I did this pre-market trade like IVDA. I saw it has news about AI, powered by AI, some things. Um, so let's go back to this pre-market chart. So this chart, the first 1 minute it popped all the way up to like 189 or something, 88. And I saw this like within seconds, I saw this drop all the way down to like about 127, like 128 or something like that, or maybe 129. When I saw it all the way back down, like to VWAP, I immediately clicked buy 1,000 shares, and I got filled at 136, and it still go like to 127. So my thing was like, if it go anything below 125, 123, I had to get out, right? Almost reached my target, but for some reasons, it kind of bounced up. I knew this kind of because I don't really feel the market these few days is like always go up and then go back down, right? So I have a feeling this might do something like that, right? So while this 1 minute has about like 20 seconds left, okay. I saw it kind of going up and little by little, like 130 and then 135, 140, 145, 150 and stuff like that, right? I immediately once it hit 166, I immediately click sell, and I got good position, full position sales on 166. So I had 300 profit for that. And after that, I couldn't find anything else to trade because I don't know why. Just the market is I'm not feeling it. Like not much, you know. Um, the market's open, and I I couldn't feel anything to trade. So there's one symbol. I mean, there's two stickers that I really like, which is ROOT root, and then LCFY. This one. So these are the tickers that I really like. I was watching, right. So the root is kind of struggling up and down, but this LCFY, right. This ticker, you know, the market opened, and within the first 1 minute, I believe, right, it hold up. I was like, you know what, I think this could be a good deal because this news and all the tickers kind of like sloppy going down. I feel like this might be the one, right? This is one of the top gappers. I believe was the top one, the top two gappers. So I immediately get in. I only took 100 shares, guys. It's kind of weird feeling, right? Because I hardly took 100 shares. Usually my smallest position is like 300 shares, but this for some reason I just okay. So I got filled 100 shares, and the hot came back 5 minutes later. It went above VWAP, right? So I was thinking about should I sell here. So I was like, you know what? I'm up $200, right? I have some winning money that I could play with, right? I was like, okay, now it's going above VWAP, the next handle, and then after that, I was thinking like, you know what? I'm gonna hold the 400 shares. I felt like it has the potential of holding another time, right? But it didn't. So it kind of dropped near the VWAP. I was like, you know what? Maybe it kind of dropped to the VWAP and then go back higher. So kind of get to the VWAP, and then I don't know, it just flushed down to like 14 or 14 something, I believe, right? And I tried to click sell market. I can't really sell because TOS is doesn't have a good the routing is not as good as those pay um, brokerage. So that's why I don't like to trade a lot of momos on TD because I'm trading with TDs. TD, think of Swim, and their routing is not that great when it comes to hold. Usually when this pay like those pay broker, right, you can get in and you can get out quick. Even though it's in a hole, you can still get out most of the time. But for TD, since it's free, once that hole, it's sometimes really hard to get out. It's like you're stuck there, you're waiting for somebody to get filled, and you can't sell, right? So I can't sell. I mean, I try to sell like 14.30 or 14.50 before I get hold. Once it went down, I can't. It gets me a hope, and then it came back out after 5 minutes later. It was like 13, right? After open 13, I guess within the next second, it went all the way down to 12, and then I clicked sell market. I got filled at like 12.15, which is like one of the worst fill ever. And with that being said, I'm down $31.10. I was up 300 pre-market. Um, yeah, it's just horrible. After that, I just completely like, you know what? I'm shocked. Like I was up 300. Now it makes me negative $31. So you know what? After that, I'm like, you know what? Uh, I'm gonna call it a day. Just nothing's moving, nothing's going on. I don't want to chase it. Then maybe more deeper into it, and then I get more like more hydrations, and think of my head like, okay, I gotta make it back. I gotta get into profit and things like that. And sometimes with that, it makes you more deeper and red, deeper and deeper and deeper and red. Sometimes it even blow up your account. It happened to me when I first started. And, these are the lessons that I learned from my previous mistakes, and not to basically, hope, just think on your mind, like, call it a day and then come back tomorrow. Because tomorrow's going to be a new market. The market's over here. It's not going to go away. It just, the market has volume, has more to give you and stuff like that. So long story short, yeah, I'm kind of disappointed for today's, from up 300, just one trade. Usually I like 8 plus quality setup, but the market's open. I always like to take 1 to 2 trades. I was, yeah, it just. Anyways, thank you so much for watching the videos, and I'm disappointed for myself. And hopefully, I come back tomorrow stronger and trade better, and not get into these crappy trades. And thank you so much for watching the video. And if you like the videos, please give it a comment, like, and subscribe to the channels. And see you guys tomorrow on the live stream. Peace.